Ayy, ayy, I'm back. I'm back now. I'm back. Ayy, ooh, ayy, ooh. Every day is a lit day, y'all. What's up? It's your boy Antonthegogo. I'm back with another heat review, and we're gonna talk about some Yeezy. And I know people might be like, yo, Yeezys are whack. Yeezys are trash now. Why you still buying Yeezy? Why you still? Look what Kanye said. Kanye said he don't even wear Yeezys. He don't this and that. But hey, I got some 1, 2, 3 Yeezy. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you guys what I cop and what I cop for my girl. And we're gonna get into it right now. So, me, honestly, I'll be honest. I'm not a Yeezy type of guy, but I'm a comfortable type of guy. And if a sneakers is comfortable, why not? You know what I'm saying? And the Yeezys are so comfortable. Sometimes it's more comfortable than Nike sneakers. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know in the comment, is that true? What Nike sneakers, what sneaker do you guys wear? And which one is more comfortable, Nike or Adidas? To me, Nike do have a lot of sneakers that's comfortable. I ain't gonna lie. The Prestos is amazing. Vomeros are amazing. They got a lot of comfortable sneakers. Honestly, but the slides, when it comes to the slides, Adidas got it. And I'm gonna show you why right now. These are my favorite slides. You know what I'm saying? Size 10. Woo! Yeezy. Let me know, did you get it on a restock? So basically, these restock were a couple days ago on the Adidas app. You know what I'm saying? I think they did it globally. Or maybe it was just the US. But they did different color Yeezys. So what they did these, they did these, they did these. They did a couple 350s, different Yeezys, Okay, smell cool, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are the slides, perfect for summer. These are really durable, and I'm not getting sponsored by Adidas or Kanye or none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest with you guys. So these are extremely comfortable. And I know you may say, oh, I don't like Yeezys no more. They trash. Let me know if this trash now, Yeezys. But me, I love these. Most comfortable thing ever. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm always on the go. You know what I'm saying? So, ooh. It don't gotta smell, but it make me want to dance. These slides, yeah, really cool. Comfortable. Definitely get this one. These are the Onyx slides, size 10, my size, my girl size, you know what I'm saying? So definitely cop up. These are perfect. Got these really for my girl, really. You know what I'm saying? Be honest. These are fire. I got one personal for myself, but I had to get her so we can match in the summer. Ooh. We're gonna be rocking out. But look, boom, I got these. Size 9. What Yeezys are these? Oh, what the? Hold on, y'all. What going on? Hold on. Gotcha. Yeah, guys. I had to kill a bug. Hold on. We had to kill a bug for the blood clot easy. Alright. So look, we're back. So look, Yeezy. Let's see what the hell pop out this box. Alright, Yeezy. These are the foam runners. Let me know what y'all think about the foam runners. Honestly, I like the foam runners a lot. Because one thing, it's comfortable. Like the slides, you know what I'm saying? And you can move around and, easily without your feet slipping off or whatever. So these are perfect for summer, perfect for fall, perfect for all year round except winter. Honestly, great. Look at the aesthetics. Like, I like the whole brown and that you know, you got the you see that lining? Ooh, this is dope. Ooh, smell good too. Make me wanna ooh. So yeah, I think these are called the sand foam runners. Let me know what color. I forgot the color of these, but I think these are the sand or something like that, or the desert, something like that. I forgot. But you know, these Yeezys have so many names. I can't keep up with the names. You know what I'm saying? I'll be honest. Like, they name these sand, and then the next one they call it dirt or something like. Yo, bro, can't keep up with this. Let me see. Yeezy foam runners. They don't even have it on the thing. I don't even. On the tag. Yeah. Yeezy. So these are my new foams. Well, for my baby. Then I got this one. Let's open up this one. This one seems cool. Ooh! Now these foam runners is awesome. I love the details. Let me know if you got these color. I forgot the name of this color too. I'm telling you, like, I can't keep up with the names, guys. I'm gonna just call it nickname. This is the sand. I'll call this the gray sand or something. You know what I'm saying? Gray something. But yeah, let me know what you think about these foam runners. I love the details because it got like a lot of detail in the back and in the front. You see the different blue texture. You see the blue, and then yeah, this is dope. This is really fire. You know, I got two foam runners. Can't go wrong with foam runners, guys. Really durable in the summer. Easy to wear. Easy to just put your feet in when you just want to be on the go. You know what I'm saying? And you just don't feel like, oh, what sneakers should I wear today? What sneakers should I wear? When you just have this, you just put your feet in and then you just go. That's what I love about foam runners. Is, you know, you could easily run through any traffic. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, shout out to Adidas and Kanye for these foam runners, for even designing something like this. This is perfect. This is perfect. So yeah, guys, let me know which one is your favorite one, or which one do you have as a Yeezy. Let me know if you don't rock with Yeezy, and if you do, how often do you wear Yeezys? Let me know in the comment down below. Give me a like if you like it. Give me a fire emoji if you're feeling this video. And yeah, guys, there's gonna be another restock of the Adidas. I really want the Pirate Blacks. The Pirate Blacks is a must. You know what I'm saying? I want that for the toe. But I think it should restock next week. But definitely check my Discord. I'm gonna be putting a lot of information out. And stay tuned. I'm on my goal. I'm trying to reach the 500 subscribers. My day one people, thank you. Shout out for all my day one people, you know what I'm saying, for rocking with me. We on a journey. We all the way to the sky. All the way, sky high. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get there. We gonna get there. We ain't never giving up. So, yeah. And don't give up on your day job. Keep going. If a hater telling you to quit, you keep doing it. You just keep going. That's more fuel for you to keep going. So don't stop. Like Bad Boy said. What did he say? Yeah, won't stop, never stop. We a bad boy, for life. Woo! Whatever he say, yeah, that shit. But yeah, shout out to Adidas for creating something like this. Now my feet is, you know what I'm saying? They don't have to hurt. Like Nike sneakers, some of them uncomfortable. The best sneakers, Presto, Vomero, those are the top two for me, honestly. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, yeah, really comfortable, but nothing beats, I ain't gonna front, the comfortability of. So you already know, guys. It's your boy, over and out. I see you in the next video. Check out my Kobe video. Check out my Supreme video. It's lit. And yeah, it's turned up. We lit. See you next time. It's your boy, Antonthegogo, over and out.